Usually we create one div with the color and then we move that div from down to up. But in this video we will use the CSS properties like background size and background position, and then we will move that background from down to up. So let's start this video. Here I have one folder, and in this folder I have one index.html file, one style.css file. Let's open these files with the text editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file, and in the HTML file I have added this link tag to connect HTML file with the CSS file. So let's create one div here with the class name container. And now we will add the CSS properties for this one. So come to the CSS file, and here we will add this class name with the dot. For this one we will add height. I will add the height 100 VH. Then let's add the width 100%. Then I will add display flex so that all the content will be in the center. Display flex align items center, and justify content center. So it will add all the contents inside this container in the center. And we will also add one background color. So let's add the background, and I will add the color code here, F2FE, this one. After that we will open the HTML file. So let's open this HTML file with the web browser, and you can see this plain color on the complete web page. Now let's come back, and in this HTML file, here we will create another div with the class name icons. And in this icons we will add some social media icons. For that we will use Font Awesome. So come to this website fontawesome.com. Here you have to create one account, then go to Kits and copy this one line of a script like this. Copy and add it in your head tag. In the HTML file head tag I will add it here like this. After adding this, let's come back to the website again and click on icons. Here we can search for any icon. So let me search for Facebook. Click here. Just click here to copy this one. Come back to the HTML file and paste it here. So this is how we can add one icon. You can come again and search for another icon here. I already know the name, so let me write it here. I will just change the class name here. It will be YouTube, and it is Twitter. After adding this, again we will refresh the website, and you can see these icons on the web page. Let me zoom it. It is here. Next we have to add one link on these icons. So just come back, and before this icon I'll add a tag like this. Here I'll add a href and closing a tag, and in this a we will add this icon like this. And here we can add any social media profile link. Here I will add the URL for the Facebook profile. Like this. Similarly, we will add the a tag for other icon also. So now we have added the anchor tag for each icons. Now if I refresh the website, we can click on these icons and it will open the particular social media profile. Next we have to add the CSS properties for this one. So let's come back and we will use this class name icons. Copy this one and come to the CSS file, write this class name here, and after that I'll add a tag. And for this a, let's add display flex, and width it will be 100 pixel and height also 100 pixel. After that I'll add align items center so that the icons will be in the center. Justify content center. Let's refresh the website. It is coming vertically. Let's come back and here I will change it to inline flex. Like this. Now it is good. We have to remove this underline also. So let's come back and here we will add text decoration none, and we will increase the font size. So I will write the font size 40 pixel. It is coming like this. Let's add the background also. So I will add the background white color. Next we have to add some space between these white color boxes. So let's come back and here we will add some margin. So I'll add the margin of 10 pixel and let's add the box shadow also. So let's add the box shadow 0 and 10 pixel, then 10 pixel, and here we will add the color in RGBA. After adding this, again refresh the website and you can see we have some space between these boxes and there is some shadow also. Next we have to add the different color for each icons, like for Facebook icon, for YouTube icon, and for Twitter icon we will add the different color. So let's come back and copy this one, write it here, and here we will select the first anchor tag. For that let's add the nth child 1. So it will select the first anchor tag and the first one is Facebook. So here we will add the color and we will add the color code. So I have already written the color code here. I will copy from this one and paste it here like this. Let's copy this again and it will be nth child 2 and this is 3, and here we will add the color for the YouTube and next one is the color for the Twitter. Again refresh the website and you can see different color here. This color is not working. Let's see. Nth child, this one, nth child 2. Now it is fine. Now you can see all the backgrounds are white, so we have to add the different background color also. For that let's come back to the CSS file again and here we have written background. So let's remove this one and I will add some space here. Here we will add background image and linear gradient. I will add the linear gradient color here. So let me add one color code here, like I'll write DDD and red like this. After that if I refresh the website you can see this color in the background. So right now this gradient color is from the top to bottom. Now we can add here 50%. So this gray color will be 50% from the top and rest 50% will be red. After adding this, if I refresh the website, you can see the half color is gray and then next half is red, like this. Now let's come back and here we will change it to white and let it be red color. It is like this. Next we have to increase the size of this background. For that, let's come back and here we will add background size. Background size, and here we have to add two values. So the first one will be for X, it means width. So width will be 100%. For the background size, width is 100%. Then we will add the height of the background. So it will be 200%, like this. After adding this, if I refresh the website, you can see there is only white color because the half part is white and the next half part is red, which is below the white color and it is not visible. So next, let's change the position of this background. So here let's add the background position. In this background position, I will add two values. So first value for the X and the second value for the Y. So first will be 0 and for the second one, let's add the 50%. If we add 50% here, you can see again the same structure, half is white and the next half is red. So we have to move this red a little down. So let me decrease it. I will write 30. You can see it is going down. If I make it 5% only, you can see only a small line is there. Now you can see the same color for each icons. So we have to add different background in each one. So let's come back and I will remove it from here. Let's cut this one and add it here in the first one. Same thing I will add in the second one and for the third icon, like this. Now we will add the same color code here. Copy this one and write it here. Copy this color for the YouTube, write it here, and copy this color for the Twitter and add it here. We have added these colors in the background image. If I refresh the website, you can see this line with different color for each icons. Now we have to move this background to the up when we will take cursor over any icon or any anchor tag. So let's come back and copy this one, icons A, because we have to hover this A anchor tag. So here we will add hover. And what will happen when we will take cursor? So it will change the background position. You can see the background position is this one. So let's copy this one, write it here, and here I will change it as 100%. Whenever we will change this 100%, it will move from 5% to the 100% and we will see the complete color. You can see it will move up. It is moving very fast, so we have to add some transition. So let's come back and again in this anchor tag we will add transition here. Let's add transition, and in this transition I will add the background position. Background position and transition time will be 0.5 seconds, like this. After that, you can see it is moving up smoothly. But next, one more thing we have to do, we have to change the color of the icon when we will take cursor over any icon. So let's come back, and in this hover only we will add one color. So color will be white, like this. After adding this color, we will add the transition for this one also. So here let's add one comma and write color 0.5 seconds. That's it. After adding this transition, if I refresh the website again, and you can see this hover effect is working fine. So I hope this will be easy for you to create this type of hover animation for the social media icons. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create a beautiful hover effect for social media icons on the website using HTML and CSS step by step. As you can see on my computer screen, if I move cursor over any icon, one gradient color background comes over the icon from the top, and the icon color also changes from black to the white. There is one more effect. You can see if I move cursor over any icon, it moves up by 10 pixels. This complete transition looks very smooth and beautiful. So let's start making this hover effect on icon using HTML and CSS. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have one HTML file and one CSS file. Now I will open this file in text editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added basic HTML structures like head, title, link. This link tag is there to connect the CSS file. So let's open this CSS file, and here we have added the margin padding and font family. We have added this link import to add the Google font. If you don't want to add the extra font, you can skip this one. Now we will come to the HTML file, and here we will create one div with the class name hero, and in this div we will add one title. So I am adding a title in h1. It is social icons hover effect. After that I will open this HTML file with browser, so you can see this title at the top. Now let's come back to the HTML file and copy this class name hero, write it here in the CSS file with a dot. Here we will add width and height. Then we will add the background, this color code, and display flex align item center, and flex direction column, justify content center. After that, refresh the website, and you can see this title in the center. Now we will add the CSS for this title. So here we will add h1, and we will add the font size 40 pixel. Now you can see increased font size for this title. Next we will come back to the HTML file, and here let's create one div, and I will add the class name social links. In this one we will add one link. So let's add a tag, and here we can add the URL of our social media profile. I will write the facebook.com, and here let's add Facebook. So in this way we can create one link on the web page. You can see this link. Now we will replace this text, and we will add one icon. So just come back to Google and search for Font Awesome icon. Open this website fontawesome.com, and here you have to create one account. After that, come here in this kits, you will get this script. Just copy this one line of a script and add it here in the head tag, like this. After that, again come back to the Font Awesome website and click on this icons. Now in this search box you can search for any icon. So I will search for Facebook. Let me open the first one, and here you can see a small code. Just click here to copy this one. Copy this HTML code and add it here. I will replace this text with the icon like this. And for now let me remove this link here. Let me duplicate this one, and we will add different social media icon. I'll write YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. If you don't know the exact class name, you can go and search on Font Awesome website. Add these icons and add different social media links in this href. After that, refresh the website, and you can see all these icons on the web page. Next we have to design this. So let's copy this class name social links, write it here. Here we will add display flex.